Morning folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. My name's Richard here at Bikepacking Adventures. Joining me for continued weekend up here in Northumberland, or as I call it, no internet land. I'm getting withdrawal symptoms. It's 25 to 9, it's the Sunday after the Dirty Reiver, and I'm going out for a bit of a bike ride. But first, of course, you know, if you're at camp, you need to grab yourself a coffee. 20 minutes ago, the sky was completely blue, but now it's clouded over a little bit. I'm just hoping there's no rain in today's forecast, because yesterday was a bit of a bummer really. If you haven't watched that video, I'll stick a link in the corner somewhere so you can go watch it, the Dirty Reiver 2023. But as for now, it's just time to get my stuff together. But before I do, I was taking a look at Katie Cooker's van yesterday. She was parked literally just there. We spent most of the Friday evening just chatting and yeah, getting to know each other kind of thing. And yeah, in here, gave me quite a few ideas of the van. She's got very similar van to this. So the first of those is take that bulkhead out, that's got to go. And I'd like to get the walls properly upholstered. And the wooden panel thing, what was on here before, you might remember from a previous video, that fallen out. So that needs doing properly. And it'd be nice to have, you know, kind of this side as well, just a little boundary on here, just to put all your bits and bobs. So yesterday we've been race day, let's call it race day. I was on the oats, but today it's a sausage and baked bean day. Oh yeah, look at that. Get in. Yummy. Wow, check out this, it'll be happening to me living with the door open. Wow, check out this for a wild camping spot. Right near a stream. This is lush, absolutely perfect. Anyway, I wanted to show you what the bike we're riding with today. So it's a Nuke-proof digger, and you might be able to tell if you watched my last video, it has been, yeah, quick jet wash all over. I tell you what, very well advertised, but at the mountain bike centre, 50p, it cost £1.50 in the end. You can also see where I had the punches yesterday and the mechanic did his bits and bobs. There's a crap inside the rim, so that's going to have to come off as soon as I get this home, get it tidied up a bit. Anyway, that's the bike. Well, today is a completely different day. Oh, look at that bird. Hello. Yeah. Weather-wise, completely different contrast. I'm actually feeling overdressed now. Got arm warmers on, leg warmers on. I think even got the heavy duty shoe covers on. I think a lot of it's going to come off. In fact, I'm rolling down the arm warmers already, which is just as well. God, I've got a bloody long climb ahead. 260 metres remaining over the next 7k, so it's only a gradual one, but that's going to warm me up further nonetheless. But I think today I'll be kicking these leggings off when I get up there. Still going that hill, up that hill. Certainly not running up that hill. And yes, legs are out, arms are out, overshoes are off, everything stuck in every orifice except that one. Absolutely stunning day. Overdressed. Today I went with the thicker jersey. I thought today was going to be the coldest of the 2 days. Turns out how wrong you can be. This Rafa top will probably be more suited to yesterday's ride, to be honest. Pretty cold at times.
It's not a big thing, it's so hard. Now that you've touched
What's it like back there?
my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I want it to start. Now that you've touched my useless.
So I am up a Chevot. That's why I love the hills. That's why I love coming places like this. Scotland, Wales, the Yorkshire Dales, Peak District. I mean, just surrounded by nature at its best. Look at this beautiful place. A beautiful bridge. So a bit of change of plan. Just heading towards Kelso, get some to eat, then turn around and come back again. Because rear wheel must have taken some battering yesterday. Because the cassette's rocking a little bit. Like it's not sat in on the hub properly, so I can't continue this ride. So I'm gonna get to Kelso. Looks like it's gonna start pissing down with rain anyway. So find some shelter, grab some lunch, and kind of make my way back again. Beautiful this. So if she wasn't paying attention, I made it as far as Kelso, and there's a Greg's. Woohoo! I'm well fed. Dave Noakes, you'll be well proud of me. Dave Noakes is another YouTuber. He's based down in Devon Way. I'm sure he's sponsored by Greg's. If he isn't, he should be. Yeah, 2 Belgian buns, 2 sausage rolls, in that savoury sausage roll, pastry wise, and an Americano. And it all went in there. It all fit, and just waited out of the rain for a while. But as you know, this is Britain. Rain comes and goes as it wants, and it's raining again. So yeah, so early morning in the night, it's me moaning about bringing all this stuff for me and feeling, you know, overdressed. And now I'm feeling a little bit underdressed because my got fingerless gloves on. So hands are feeling a bit cold. Something I learned a few weeks ago. It's a bit of a tip I share with you. Cargo shorts, cargo bib shorts. If you ever thought about buying a pair, hook gear change, then they're good for like warming your pinkies up, because you can put your hands in here, and even if the mesh ones like these Rafa ones, you'd be surprised how they warm your hands up. They're great, so you can just ride like this for a little while. I'm not saying like the great alternative to wearing proper gloves, but you know, if your gloves are wet through during the ride, stick them in your pockets. Quick pit stop. Take my gilet off, put my gilet in the back pocket, leave the rain jacket on, and once I cool down a second, put the arm warmers down as well. I must get around to cutting these damn labels off. Stuff. Got them on the gloves as well, I never bloody remove them. It's not like I follow the instructions ever. Anyway, the reason for doing that is I'm heading back into Kielder, or however you pronounce it. And it's all climbing from now on. There's about 10 miles to go. Anyway, that place name, Jedburgh or Jedburgh, whatever it's pronounced. Question for you, see if you can guess it. This one. Comments down below, yeah? What's the first thing I think of when I think of Jedburgh? Winner wins a virtual Bakewell tart, yeah? Get guessing down below. Anyway, that's the end of the nonsense. Kielder awaits. So I'm just hanking my way through the mist, up that corner there. Luckily, it's not been teeming it down, but it has been persistent and murky and a little bit cool. So I've been applying the brakes on the descents a little bit, just so I don't get cooled off by the wind. Really pleased to have got out of bed this morning. I've got myself out here and I don't regret a minute of it. I mean, just look, you know, if I wasn't feeling this right now, I'd be so tempted to bomb it down, but I don't want to get cold. I'm just reining it in. Oh wow! Oh my god! You didn't tell me it was this good. This is the view I asked you about earlier, pointing backwards. I said, tell me what it's like, and wow, oh my god. Wow, that's incredible. Oh yeah! Oh my god, I can't believe the sun's coming out. Well, I can, because the sun always bloody comes out at the end of a ride, doesn't it? Oh wow, this is one of my best descents ever. Okay, one of the best descents in a long time. I nearly wasn't going to bring the camera out for the last few kilometres, but I'm so glad I did. This is stunning, and just look at that road. Wow, Scotland, you never fail to amaze. Oh. This descent is becoming its own little video. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, do give it the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that button, yeah? What a big year ahead for me onto this channel, and I'd love to share some of the experiences I've got planned in 2023. Got all points north to share with you in May. The Great British Escapades in June. What else got? The Pant Celtic race in July, and after that we've got Paris in August. Right, where's the van? Oh, it doesn't look so good in camera, but look at that. Just a bubbling stream and little feet.